Hi guys, how you all doing? You guys, welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY, and you guys, welcome to a new vlog.
I'm Cyndy CJAY.
Can I talk? Go and sit down back. So this is the start of a new vlog. Welcome. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are okay. Hope you guys are fine. You guys, I've not picked up my camera in a while. I will still talk about it later, because at the moment I'm still trusting and believing in God, which I know He has already done. He has already taken control. But I will still come up here and testify of the goodness of the Lord when I'm ready. Okay, so the thing is, today I'm all dressed up, as you guys can see. Yeah. So I don't know if I told you guys. Maybe if you're following me on Instagram, you might have seen it in my reel when I said that my daughter Sophie, she has gotten admission in her sister's school for reception. So she'll be starting reception in her sister's school in September. Yes, I'm so happy about that. I'm so excited about that. Yeah. They invited all the parents, the reception parents, like the parents who their kids are starting reception. They invited us for a meeting today. Stop that noise. They invited all the parents for a meeting today, so that's why I'm all dressed up now. I'm going for the meeting. I just dropped Daisy off at school, so I'm in School Street. So once I drop her off now, I'll start going back to Daisy's school for the meeting for Soso's reception. Yeah. So in the meeting, I'll be buying her water bottle, her school tie, her book bag, all the things she needs. I will buy it today. And I think I will also book a day that I want the teachers to come to the house, check where she's living, the proximity, the distance from school to house, stuff like that. So I'll pick a date for that today as well during the meeting. And yeah, your girl is happy, your girl is excited. I'm super happy, because you guys, these two different schools is not easy. Two different schools, different time. You drop this one off, come back different time, pick this one, come back. Oh, you guys, I've been doing this for, is it over a year? Yeah, I've been doing this for over a year, and trust me when I say it's draining. So I can't wait for September to come, so that once I start my car to do school drop off, one destination. Once I get ready to do school pickup, one destination. So yeah, stay tuned. If I'll carry you guys along in the school thingy, I will. If I don't, maybe when I'm back from the meeting, when I've bought the stuffs, I'll show you guys. Okay, all right guys, so come and say hi. So are you excited?
Yeah.
So you're happy that you soon be going to your sister's school?
Yeah.
Reception girl. That is yeah. So guys, I just dropped Soso off at her school now, and I'm back to Adaisy's school, School Street. Yeah, so I'm walking down now to go for Soso's meeting. I'm kind of late, but there's nothing I can do, obviously, because after I dropped Soso off at her school, I have like just 5 minutes to come here, but 5 minutes was not enough. But yeah, that's okay. So I'm walking down now. Yeah. So guys, I just got back from the meeting now. Like, there was a lot to talk about, they had a lot to tell the parents about their kids coming into reception. A lot of things were discussed in the meeting. Yeah, I got Soso school tire. I got her book bag for school. Yeah. Just like her sister's own. And I also got her a water bottle. Aside that, I got everything. So it's ready now. I think sometime in June, the school teachers will come to the house for home visit. And then sometime in July, so we go to the school to check out the school, to look at her class, her new teacher. And then in September, then in September, so we start reception in her sister's school. Yeah, so yeah, that's basically it. I just said to check in with you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, girl. You back from school? All right, open the bag. You dropped your glasses. So what do we have in the bag?
My book bag and my book.
Open it up.
I want a bottle.
What's that?
I want bottle.
Yeah, water bottle, yeah? Check if there's any other to this side. What again do you have there?
My scooter.
Yeah, what?
My scooter.
Your scooter, yeah? Let me see. Ah, it's so cute, yeah? Just like whose own?
What this is?
Look at me.
What this is?
It's just like Adeze's own, yeah? No, you're not using it now. It's in September. It's in September, so pack them and go and keep them upstairs in your room, okay? And that comes back, you Shada, yeah?
She say wow.
She say wow, yes? Are you happy?
Yes. You're the best mommy.
I'm the best mommy, yeah? Alright, take it upstairs, okay, baby? So I got a couple of things. I got this lipstick. Revolution Makeup Revolution London. So I needed a pink lipstick, so I went to Superdrugs. Yeah, it was in Superdrugs. I got this Revolution in the Revolution stand. I got it I think £5.50, and then I also got this color in ruby red. Don't know if you guys can see it. Ruby red. Focus. Ruby red. So I got it £5.50, and I got this cute pink. I got this cute pink for £5.50 as well. And then I got this one, this lip pencil. No, is this brow fixing wax? And this lip pencil, I think I got this one in I can't remember. I think in Poundland or so. Yeah. I also saw this store, like it's a new store they just opened, and I really needed a wallet, so I popped in and I got this wallet. I got this wallet for £6.99. Yeah, as well. And then this zipper here. So guys, since we got back from our vacation, I've not had time to cook, so I'll be cooking today because almost all the soup is finished. I think it's just olubu soup I still have in the freezer. Yeah, so I'll be cooking okra soup, ogbono soup, and egusi soup in this vlog, okay? And I'll sure carry you guys along with me, so stay tuned. Do not click out, stick around with me while we cook ogbono, okra, and egusi soup together, okay? And for my egusi soup, I think I'll be using okazi this time around. I can't remember the last time I used okazi to cook egusi soup. I can't remember, but yeah, let's start. whole spinach, okra, pepper, bono, crayfish, egusi, a red oil. This one is okazi leaf. So everything is ready. So here are all my ingredients that I'll be using. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY. So guys, I'll be cooking 3 soup today. Okra, just okra, no obono this time around. You guys know I normally put obono in my okra, but this time I'm cooking just the okra and then just obono and egusi. Yeah, so I've prepped everything. I've tidied up my space. The pots are ready. In the cooker is beans. I'm cooking beans and plantain. So once I'm done cooking that now, I'll start cooking my 3 soups. Okay, so stick around. Trust me, you enjoy every part of this vlog, and don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Okay. All right, let's finish the beans. Here's my plantain. So here's my plantain for the beans. I'll quickly prep that now. And here's the beans boiling already. Can you guys see? So yeah. This one is the obono soup. So this one is the egusi, and this one is the okra. So guys, I'm done cooking now, so let me show you guys. And I'm doing the laundry. If you guys are hearing noises, the washing machine. So yeah, let me show you guys. Yeah, so this is the this washing machine. Can I talk? So this is the 4 foods I cooked. So this is the egusi soup. Here is the obono soup. Here is the okra soup. And here is the beans and plantain. So yeah, I'll let it cool down and then I'll dish it later. So give this video a huge thumbs up. So yeah, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. All right.
I